EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for May 26th, 2022. It is my 7-year wedding anniversary today, so I did not forget. Today's video forecast is sponsored by North Penn Car Wash in Lansdale, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Join the Unlimited Car Wash Club starting at just $13.95 per month. It's the only place where weather doesn't matter, and you can wash your car or truck as often as you like within the calendar month for one low monthly rate. Springtime obviously means frequent shower episodes, but it's also pollen season, as evident by those mornings you go out and you see all that grime and yellow stuff all over your car or truck. Well, if you just washed it, your fresh car wash is now out the window and you wasted your money. But with North Penn Car Wash's Unlimited Car Wash Club, it's never a worry again. Just stop by as often as you like within the month to get a fresh wash for that one low monthly rate, and that pollen is gone. North Penn Car Wash, 986 Somebodytown Pike in Lansdale, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, proud sponsors of the Thursday video forecast. So, today, it's going to be generally cloudy across the region, mostly cloudy or overcast. We're going to have a southeasterly wind flow today. There was a little system that's kind of was hanging out here for a couple days off the southeastern U.S. coast, well, off the East Coast here, not the southeastern U.S. coastline, right off the Carolinas, kind of like right in this direction. So this is going to end up moving off to our north, and there's a little bit of shower activity associated with this. Not much, just a few sprinkles, maybe some drizzle is possible at times when you get into the afternoon and evening hours today, but it's not a real big deal otherwise. You will also have a southeasterly wind flow today that's going to act like a warm front moving through, and in a sense it will, because on the other side of this system, as this gets absorbed by the incoming cold front, you're going to have a southwesterly wind flow coming in ahead of it, and that's going to get the temperatures up for Friday. So today we're going to be stuck right around the 70-degree mark. A lot of arrows I'm drawing there, but today's around the 70-degree mark, either side of 70 degrees, so 68 to 72 is the spread in temperatures, and you could have an isolated shower today. Here's that little bit of shower activity, not much. Again, just a spotty, this is more like drizzle or light mist, and this is coming in this afternoon and part of the evening hours here, and that lifts off to the north, and that eventually gets absorbed and dissipates. Our next system coming in here is this cold front, which we'll get into on Friday. And looks like the day is going to start off generally mostly cloudy on Friday, okay? So the first half of the day is not, no precipitation is expected. Once we get into the kind of mid-afternoon onward period, we have the opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, the Storm Prediction Center did put a slight risk for severe weather and marginal risk for severe weather across different parts of our region. There's a big part of our coverage area here that has a slight risk for storms, kind of like these areas in here. So I'm not sure if they're going to shift this around again for day 2, but right now the day 3 outlook was showing that potential for severe weather there. I'm not really overly thrilled with this just because it's a timing issue and there's going to be plenty of cloud cover in advance of this. So I know this is a dynamically driven system and it can still produce severe weather in this case, but I'm just not overly excited about it. So no disrespect to the SBC there. I just don't see a widespread severe day here on Friday because of those mitigating factors I talked about. You can have all the instability you want, all the shear you want, all these numbers you want to throw at me, but if there's cloud cover in advance of this, and there's also a timing issue with when it's coming into certain areas at different parts of the day, it's going to mitigate some of this, okay? So we're going to see, continue to follow those in the next couple of days and see where this goes, but I'm just not overly excited from the severe weather standpoint right now. So here is Friday morning. You have some showers across the Appalachians, basically, just west of our coverage area. This is looking at 1 p.m. You can see the time frame in the upper right-hand corner. As I move this forward, though, this does spread eastward during the course of the afternoon. This is already 6 p.m., and it doesn't really look too impressive, does it? Not really. Once you get into the evening hours, you have some of these storms moving eastward, but again, this is 11 p.m. at night. How much instability do you think you're going to have at 11 o'clock at night? Can you get some stronger storms? Yeah, sure, and there would be a wind threat if you did have something like this happen. Maybe some hail involved with this as well, but I just don't see it being a widespread severe idea that the SBC is trying to sell right now. We'll see. If the timing is this late, it's going to be difficult, but not impossible. So we'll stay on top of this over the next day or so we are, we can see what's coming. But there will be scattered showers and thunderstorms that will move through during the evening hours further east, and that will go through part of the overnight. Once we get to Saturday morning, nothing's left. We now have to go over to the 12-kilometer NAM here because this goes beyond hour 60, where the 3 kilometer stops. So they're very similar here on Saturday morning. Nothing really happening here. There's a trailing upper level low that will move through, but this is not a big deal. Do not cancel plans on Saturday. So when I was talking about that 70-30 chance, if you watch these videos all week, 70% favoring that it was just going to be a Friday cold front passage, maybe a leftover shower or storm on Saturday in a few spots, and then the rest of the weekend was going to be good. That's probably 90% now. That's probably how it's going to end up working out. So Sunday and Monday are completely fine, and Saturday's not that bad either. You're going to have partly sunny skies, okay? Then we're expecting a line of showers or storms to move through, garden variety, on Saturday during the afternoon hours, quickly through the area, and that's it. That's all you get, okay? That's it. So you get a line of storms come through, and you're done. Otherwise, it's partly sunny here on Saturday, and temperatures in the middle 70s. So if you see tomorrow above me here in the video, we have a 72 to 82 degree spread. It's going to be the northwestern areas will be 72, southeastern areas will be 82, and that's just because that front is going to take some time getting to the southeastern areas, okay? So it's going to be pretty dry most of the day here. This is looking at 5 p.m. on the 12-kilometer NAM. Same thing. All the activities out here in central PA, and it does eventually move eastward, but this is when it's getting closer to the evening hours here when this is happening. So we'll see. We'll see how this works out, but I'm not overly excited about any severe weather or the trailing upper level low, which is now going to be moving through a lot quicker. Here's the European model, and it shows some activity across New England here. Not really too much in our area. Maybe just that quick line coming through, and that's just about it. And then that's it. That's it for the entire weekend. We go to Sunday, and we are completely dry here on Sunday. Okay, temperatures are going to increase to about the 80-degree mark or either side of 80 degrees. And then we get to Monday, same thing, except temperatures are going to continue to go up into the maybe 83, 84 degrees for a high here on Monday. But otherwise, mostly sunny skies. Tuesday's mostly sunny, mid to upper 80s for highs, and then near 90 or into the 90s by the time we get to Wednesday of next week, and it's probably going to continue into Thursday as well. We do expect another cold front come through at the end of the next week, probably Friday. So speaking of that next week, I wanted to address something because I had put something on Twitter yesterday, so that if you follow me on Twitter, you already know this. But I will be on vacation starting this Saturday, going all the way through the following Sunday. I am taking one of those disconnect and unplug vacations. So that means I'm not going to be doing weather. I'm not going to be thinking about my business. I'll probably think about it, but I'm not going to be really worried about it. So it means everything that I do publicly, the daily forecast videos all next week, will not air. They are going to air again tomorrow morning, Friday, and again Saturday morning for the weekend video forecast, and then I'm out. I'm getting on a plane. I'm leaving with my family. I'll be gone for that entire week, so there'll be no daily forecast videos next week. There will be a public long-range update this Friday before I leave, but not next Friday, okay? And the beach forecast will be updated this Thursday, actually today. We'll update those today before the Memorial Day weekend. It will not be updated next week. So those are 3 public things that I do that will not be updated while I'm gone. But it's only for a week. I'm just disconnecting. I'm not going to be on social media. I'm not going to be on anything. So just taking a true vacation for a change, which is the first time I have done in 7 years. I mentioned it's my 7-year wedding anniversary. I went to Mexico to get married on the beach in Mexico 7 years ago today. That's the last time I actually completely disconnected from the business, completely disconnected from weather, at least locally. Of course, where I'm going, there's going to be weather there too, but I'm not really going to be concerned with the business. I'm just completely unplugging and having a good time with my family, enjoying myself for a change. First time in 7 years I'll be doing that. So I'm a little bit excited about that. But we will have everything else updated on the website like normal. The daily forecast will be done. All the private services, text alerts. The forum will be updated by the staff that's left behind, my staff. And all of our private client services will continue as normal. So there's no change in that regard. Everything we have obligations to will still be met. But I just won't have the videos next week. But I will see you again. I will have again tomorrow and Saturday before I go, and then again the next time will be January 6th, or excuse me, not January, June. Good Lord, moving ahead to the winter all of a sudden. We're not moving back to winter yet. Just Disregard that. That was a Freudian slip. So June 6th will be the following video when I come back from vacation. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchis. That is your outlook for May 26th, 2022. Have a great Thursday.